Daki hajar kipa nagajat ben reu garu menta kasngi kilalit ben sim benta hagajingalang kabala pelong da ka all riboy garu headman association ya kabala pelong hasnong rangsa kona bernihat na benta ban persya ya ka hukum badang supermission da ka himamelem kajing pelong ka all riboy garu headman association kabala don benta da kisan rutli kisnong garu bat kabala longrong basnong da ki garu ha kabala limba ka tigajingalang kila persya ya ka hukum jong ka himamelem kabala batha limba ka jingtho sa ka office Deputy Commissioner Karib Hoy ba omday show ban priang ya ki NOC ne ki dulir jaka kabalapin sisya da ki rangba sinong ki bedai na kajat ben riu garo kinong yalam jong kate ko all Ribhoy Garo Headman Association ki bakun thop ya unikel armarak advisor jong kate ka kanhon bat kung juru ya ujon armarak ki laong ba kate ka jingelang kalong kum ka jingdawa na ka himam lim bade ban wengno ya kate ko hukum bade ban itho ya ki sanat ne ban priang ya ki kot kislak balasoy ne san da kinong yalam sinong garo lakalong ya ki NOC ne wat ya ki dulir jaka kita ginong yalam jong kate ka kinhon kilapang paru bakinyay biteng ya ka ba kum kate ka jinge khun pat ba kata la dajia ba ka himameliam bat ka KCDC kam itho la ne pedang ya kikot kisla kabala ay do orang ba sinong nakajat ben riu garo namar kata nakaliang jong kita ginong yalam sian kilap ha dor khas sa KCDC himameliam ba sa usim karat marwen nakabenta ban pinkup bor biang ya kirang ba sinong garo kum bajulong hakis nang balalet hengai la dakim pensngam kabamut bakin pelong ya kijing ya khun kabajur nakabenta ka jimuntoy kipat garo Ribhoy bat ka jelahi borok kuway
from all the villages of Ribhoy have gathered here to demand our right because just recently on 1st December 2022 Milim have issued a letter to the DC that Garos should not be recognized as headman and their NOC and their whatever letter issued by the Garo headman should not be accepted. So these are discrimination against our Garo people. So all this to demand our right. We have gathered here and we will fight for our right. We are not going to fight bodily, but we'll fight with the rules and legal advice of our land. I hope the authorities concerned will listen to us and will give us our right. If not, we'll go to the court of the law. And as the democracy of our country, we have the right to settle anywhere, and we have the right to be the headman of our own villages. So, the action taken by the Milim Sim, due to pressurization of different NGOs, who are the local people, local NGOs only, and they don't think about the humanity. So I condemn those NGOs. Even in Garo Hills, if any tribe settle there, they have the right to become a headman of their own village. But in our Ribhoy district, in particular, and in Khasi Giant Hills in general, they are not giving the right to become a headman of their own villages. So these are discrimination against not only the Garos of different types of Meghalaya who are staying from the time immemorial, from British rule. So we demand that our rights should be provided to us. And we will unite more and more day by day to get our right.
Soon after the independence, founder of the Constitution draft and framed the sixth schedule for the backward people, tribal of India, and Garo community are fall under the sixth schedule Constitution of India. Tribal will be treated as tribal only, which are recognized as civil tribe, both by the central government and as a well-state government, and there is no such provision or regulation that one tribal community can dominate. that we are not against any community, but we are demanding our right to the administration our own village. At Garo Hill Autonomous District Council Tura, Headman Nokma, they appoint all the tribal communities under its jurisdiction. And Karbi Along District Council, they appoint all the communities under the jurisdiction, including Khasi, Garo, Jaintia. Even there is Garo MDC, Khasi MDCs, that we sitting some example, some from northeastern state. We are residing in Nagaland, Arunachal, Tripura, and every 24 district of Assam. There's every 24 of Assam not interfere by any other tribe or community. Where is our own state, our right is illegally denied to us. So we request to all the competent authorities to look into that aspect also, especially Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Hima Milim Shillong, state government, Konatke Sangma, intervene. So this much only I would like to conclude here.